Today at school we talked about the countries of the world. Do you know how many there are?
More than 100.
Yes, the teacher said there are about 195, and each one has its own language, capital, and typical dishes.
Wow, that's a lot.
For example, do you know what one of the typical dishes of France is?
Croissants, they're so good. And then also crepes and baguettes.
Exactly. And the capital of France?
Paris, of course, the city of the Eiffel Tower.
Well done. They speak French there. And do you know which country sushi comes from?
From Japan. It's made with rice and raw fish.
Right. And the capital of Japan?
Tokyo, where they speak Japanese. I've seen pictures. It's full of very tall skyscrapers.
New York has lots of tall skyscrapers too.
Is New York the capital of the United States?
No, it is not. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C.
All right, my mom told me.
But in your opinion, what is the best food in the world?
Difficult question. I love Italian pizza, but Mexican tacos are great too.
Oh, right. Mexico is famous for spicy food. Do you know what its capital city is?
Mexico City, and their language is Spanish, while Italy's capital is Rome. They speak Italian.
Exactly. And do you know what they eat in Germany?
Sausages.
Yes, and pretzels too. The capital of Germany is Berlin, and they speak German.
Right. Do you know another country with great food? Greece.
Oh yeah, they make pita there. Have you ever tried it?
Once, in the Greek restaurant in the city. The capital is Athens, right?
Bravo. Oh, I'm getting hungry talking about food.
Me too. You know what would be great? Taking a trip to try all these foods in their countries.
Yes, first stop Italy for pizza.
Then France for croissants.
And then Japan for sushi.
I'd also like to go to Morocco for couscous.
What's the capital of Morocco?
The capital is Rabat.
That would be a fantastic adventure.
Come on, let's go for a snack.